Welcome to your piece of paradise in Southwest Florida. This beautifully appointed, recently built home offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and outdoor living. This home is offered turnkey. Featuring 3 bedrooms, a den, and 2 bathrooms, the spacious open floor plan with a formal dining room area is ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. The chef's kitchen is the heart of the home, complete with a large island with seating, granite countertops, stylish backsplash, stainless steel appliances and plenty of cabinet space, all opening to the main living area with a cozy fireplace. The primary suite offers dual sinks, a large walk-in shower, smart mirrors, and generous closet space with his and her closets. Additional features include high-impact windows, washer/dryer with a laundry tub, ceiling fans and walk-in closets with shelving and drawers throughout the home. Step outside and enjoy your private backyard oasis, featuring a full summer kitchen with lots of counter space with a small beverage fridge, gas grill, oversized heated pool and spa with a large deck area, fenced yard, and an automatic sprinkler system to keep the landscaping looking great year-round. The 3-car garage provides plenty of room for vehicles, storage, or toys, and a storage shed adds even more space. Located near shopping, schools, restaurants, and the Pine Island corridor, this home is move-in ready and being sold turnkey. Just bring your personal items and start enjoying the Florida lifestyle. City water and sewer are in and the property is on flood zone X, so flood insurance is optional. And the best of all, no HOA dues to pay on this property. Don't delay and make your showing appointment today.